Have you got your Canon PIXMA printer and you're ready to get connected to Wi-Fi? Or maybe you're reconnecting after a router change but facing some issues. Either ways, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through the complete process of connecting your Canon PIXMA printer to a wireless network with the help of the printer's control panel. And yes, feel free to dial the numbers on the screen if you need additional help. Our experts will provide real-time assistance. So let's get started with the setup steps now.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Go to the printer's operational panel and press the Setup button. Press the OK button on the Wi-Fi setup. Press the right button and then OK button for manual connect. Select your router using the left and right arrow buttons, then press OK. Press the OK button again. Enter your password and then press OK. After a successful connection, press the OK button again. Open your computer, then click on the Start button. Open the settings icon on the left. Select the Devices option. Go to the Printers and Scanners. Click on Add a printer or scanner. Select your printer, then click on the Add Device button. After adding, click on the printer from the list and select Manage. Click on the Print a Test Page option.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.